Before the sun rises, before the noise begins, there is a sacred moment that belongs only to you. Most people ignore it. They reach for their phones, their worries, their yesterday. But a rare few, pause. They breathe. They listen. They remember that life does not change by chance. It changes by ritual. You do not wait for clarity, you build it. You do not chase peace, you train it. And this training begins in silence, right now. This message is not for those who want to be inspired once. It's for those who are ready to reprogram their mind, to walk a quieter, deeper path of power. So listen, not with your ears, but with your awareness. Change does not begin when life feels easy. It begins the moment you stop waiting for easy. The mind, if left untamed, will repeat the past endlessly. It will recycle fear, replay doubt, and whisper, maybe later. But later never comes. And mindset is not motivation, it's direction. It is the quiet choice you make in the unseen hours. Before you move, before you speak, before you act, there is a thought, a seed, a belief. That belief decides everything. If your belief is small, your actions will shrink to fit it. If your belief is strong, your actions will rise to meet it. So guard your mind. Feed it only what builds you. Do not let the world write its code into your thoughts. Choose what you absorb in the morning, for that becomes the foundation of your day. Choose what you repeat at night, for that becomes the foundation of your life. Your reality is not waiting to be discovered, it's waiting to be created by the structure of your mind. Discipline is not punishment, it is respect for your own potential. Anyone can dream, few can return to that dream every single day and build it brick by brick. Discipline is what you do when emotion disappears. It's the act of showing up for yourself when nobody is watching, when your body says no, but your spirit whispers yes. Each repetition rewires your system. Each act of consistency tells your subconscious, I am someone I can rely on. This is where confidence is born, not in applause, but in alignment. Discipline does not scream. It whispers quietly in your daily choices, how you wake, how you breathe, how you react when the world pushes you. Every disciplined act is a declaration. I will not be ruled by comfort. I will be shaped by purpose. The world is loud. Every screen, every sound, every opinion pulls at your attention. But focus is not the absence of noise. It is the mastery of return. You will be distracted again and again. Your mind will wander. But focus is training your awareness to come home each time faster, quieter, stronger. Most people chase intensity, but transformation comes from direction, not speed. A laser cuts through steel not because it moves fast, but because it stays concentrated. Train your focus like a muscle. Cut away what doesn't serve your purpose. Protect your mental energy like a warrior protects his weapon. When you choose one target and one direction, you give your life structure. And structure breeds freedom. Remember, what you feed grows. Feed your distractions and they will rule you. Feed your focus and you will rise. Transformation does not arrive in a single burst of inspiration. It unfolds through repetition, through the mornings when no one believes in you, through the evenings when you are tired but still keep going. A change is not loud, it's layered. It grows in silence beneath your routines. It's the invisible progress that one day becomes undeniable. Do not chase perfection, chase presence. Be where your feet are. When you breathe with awareness, when you act with intention, life begins to reorganize around you. Transformation is not about becoming someone else. It's about remembering who you truly are. Before the noise, before the fear, before the doubt. There is a version of you waiting beyond your excuses, beyond your hesitation, beyond your old identity. Meet them through ritual. Meet them through practice. Meet them through patience. True power is not control. It is alignment. It is standing calm while others panic. It is speaking less, but meaning more. It is moving from presence, not pressure. Power is not loud. It does not need to prove itself. It simply is. It comes from knowing who you are and living in harmony with that knowing. When you control your inputs, you control your direction. When you control your direction, you no longer chase. You attract. You no longer beg. You become. Power is built in silence and revealed in action. It's in the small, invisible victories that no one applauds. It's in the mornings you rise before the sun. It's in the moments you choose peace over reaction, clarity over chaos, discipline over distraction. This world will always try to pull you away from yourself. But remember, you can always return to your breath, to your awareness, to your truth. That return, that single conscious breath is the beginning of mastery. So when tomorrow comes and the world rushes to claim your mind, pause. Before the screens, before the noise, breathe. Remind yourself that you are not behind, you are becoming. You are not waiting for the right moment. You are building it right now. Every breath is a chance to reset. Every morning is a chance to return. Every small act of awareness is a quiet revolution against the chaos. Train your mind before the world trains it for you. Feed your spirit before the noise feeds on it. And when you rise each day in stillness, you will no longer chase transformation. You will live it. Because you are not just surviving life, you are sculpting it. You are not reacting to the world. You are rebuilding yourself from the inside out. So rise gently, walk quietly, and let your discipline speak louder than your words.